Alright, what's up everybody? And it's Daddy Bobs here. And today guys, pag-usapan natin to and review natin itong bagong MMORPG or role-playing game dito guys no under Web3, which is itong Legend of Ymir. Ayan. So if you're familiar with the if naglaro kayo ng mga MMORPG before guys, it's like parang nagiging upgraded na yung graphics, napakaganda ng sistema, napakaganda ng laro, and the skills are very nice. And yes, we will go through to it guys, and I will give you some ideas and overview about this game. Okay, so this is the website of Legend of Ymir. Yeah, now we will go through to this one. And yes, it's actually YMIR. Ayan, no, share the loot. And actually guys, you can download using the PC or you can play using the PC, and you can also download and play using your cell phone or tablet. So that's the good thing kasi nga parang nagiging merge or nag-merge na din itong yung characters mo dito, and also the system are merging between the PC and the mobile. So when it comes to action guys, no, napakaganda that so you can choose a lot of characters. And ayan, kung nakikita nyo dito, ayan, yung mga skills, very emphasized. Maganda kung makikita mo talaga on how the skills of this game are working pag tumama doon sa mga mobs or sa mga monster, paano nila mapatayan. And there are different kinds of classes where you can choose later on. I-check natin yan. Okay, so the art of Legend of Ymir, sabi dito, Legend of Ymir is one of the few AA or AAA level MMORPG developed with the latest technology of Unreal Engine 5. So these are the latest games engine kung saan guys, most of the MMO or most of the MMORPG are being developed under the Unreal Engine 5 technology. Set in the world of Norse mythology, the customs, hairstyle, and personalities of key mythical heroes and figures have been meticulously crafted. So ibig sabihin guys, this game has its own story based on mythology. Ayan, so they have the classes. We have here the Berserker. Ayan, no, parang makikita mo dito yung ano niya, yung forma niya parang tawag doon, parang Titan, di ba? Ruthless and bloodthirsty fighter. And yes, you can also choose. So this is the first class. You can choose the character. Pwede babae. Ayan, no, Berserker. Pwede naman, ito naman is Skald. Skald is the middle distance promise victory. So it is more on kumbaga intelligent to kasi more on ano to, parang casting of spells or casting of power using using the music or the sounds. And one is Volva. Ito naman is parang nagiging tawag dito is tawag ito parang witch. Oh, di ba? So still it is intelligent based. But actually guys, hindi ko pa nag-go through talaga about the skills, but since meron akong idea from the previous MMORPG, we will assume that this one is more on intelligence. And parang nagiging, kung titignan natin dito, they have also here the overview of the video guys about this character. So ayan, so it's more on like ito kasi malakas ang tira nito, malakas ang damage nito kasi more on intelligence, but mahina yung defense kasi nga maliit lang yung life. But that's actually depende kasi on how you build your character. And ayan, kung nakita nyo dyan, it's amazing. Yan, by fire, depende kasi ngayon by fire, fire bomb, and depends sa skills kasi you can have all the skills later on if you start playing this game, and you can build up your character actually. Okay, so yun yung sample of mga action ito figures nila. And this is also the warlord, ito using the soul perching strikes. Ayan, an executioner who turns enemies into dead of him in the instant with the swiftness of Falhofner wing bits. And then again guys, ito naman, it could be a mix of intelligence and physical, but then again depende pa din yan. Ito yung paborito ko guys, itong archer kasi nga it's long distance, and then you can just play around with the mobs, like you can run while tinitira mo sila, and sabi dito the ultimate sharpshooter bringing victory. So itong character na to dapat ma-build up to siya, like if grupo kayo guys, dapat meron itong Berserker kasi ito usually pang tank ito ito yung magpo-front, kasi mataas yung life nito at saka malakas talaga yung ito yung defense nito. And then ito naman ibang character, their support system, and then once you do the party mobs, ito talaga yung pinaka-perfect na team up. So those are just the different classes of Ymir. And dito naman, ayan, no, so these are just another action videos. Actually, napakaganda guys, napakaganda. You can have all the skills, mas maganda yung skills, then you can develop your character. And the battle redefined, ayan. So, ganda eh, ganda. The adventure of for the Aegis, you can go through with the website, but we will guys, didiretso na tayo dito kasi nga, this game is not just MMORPG kung saan kumbaga, you can reminiscing your childhood during the time na uso pa yung Silk Road Online, Ragnarok, ayun, di ba? Ragnarok Online. So, this one is like something like that. But, yung development nila is more high when it comes to technology because they're using the high technology when it comes to developing or when it comes to technology. And, yes, these are naman yung mga streamer naman nandito. Actually, I'm looking forward ito naman sa reward system, Lock and Totem. Kasi nga, this is not just a game, this is also a reward system. You can also earn token. Ayan, you can earn token. Meron sila ito, live drawing schedule, where you can win 1 BTC. 1 Bitcoin, guys. No? 1 Bitcoin is more than like, you know, in peso siguro, nasa mga ano yan. Just forget how much, but it's a million, like 6 million. And then match 6, match 5, 4, ayan, 0.50 BTC. It's big. So, ito naman yung how to participate, which is ito yung ano tawag nito? Ito yung criteria of eligibility on how to join and how to earn the reward. And then again guys, this is not just joining, but you have to level up, build up your character, and ano ka dito? Compete ka with other players. Alright? So, ayun. So, Legion of Ymir, balikan natin dito. This is the website. Then again, before ka dito makapaglaro, what you have to do is to download. Download mo muna, punta ka dito sa contents. Ayan. And you click download. Ayan, sa ating is na-download na natin to. And you can choose download PC version if meron kayong PC. And then meron naman dito for mobile, and also you can also use the APK para mas mabilis, or depende kung ano saan banda yung para mas mabilis yung pag-download mo dito. And then sa contest naman, meron naman dito mga basic guidelines, ayan, about your characters, about character creation, account linking, wallet linking. Ito pinaka-importante dito before you start building your character guys, you have to link your account. And ang pag-link ng account mo dito, they're using Remix Wallet. I will be discussing that one kasi gawin pa rin yung review about dito. But yes, go to lang kayo dito guys. And then again, mas maganda if we will go directly to the game itself para makita natin. Oh, yan, diba? Excited na ba kayo? I'm so excited also guys. So ito yung game. Okay, nakita ko dito. Ito naman yung game guys. Kasi pag pasok mo dito, you have to choose the server. Kasi lang medyo maraming mga server ngayon na full na, no? So you have to choose the server kung saan hindi pa full para makapasok kayo. And then you can choose what character you want based on the overview na binigay ko kanina. And then andito naman, the first thing you can do dito guys is to test every character. Okay? So ito naman yung kanina na pinakita ko kanina sa inyo, no? This one is tawag dito. Ito yung parang tingnan natin muna to kasi yung the character, wait lang limutan ko yung mga iba't ibang character dito eh. Okay, so alright. So balikan natin ito, Berserker. Ayan, ito naman yung Berserker guys. And so try natin siya. Try natin itong Berserker, ito sa ilalim nakikita nyo dito where you can use the keys F1, F2, F3, F4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the skills, pre-made skills for the Berserker. Ibig sabihin guys, itong karakter na nakita nyo dito, parang it is fully ano na to fully parang sample or parang demo kung saan magagamit mo lahat ng mga skills para matry mo dito yung mga skills. And then dito naman sa left side, you can summon monster. Ayan, so try natin. Makikita natin dito actually how this character plays its skills. Gaya nito, no? Ayan. Skills. Kita nyo mo, damage. Good. So, isang bag lang. All you have to do is just to click or you can use the keys F1, F2, F3. And then, good. So, in every skills, meron yung description, meron mga pangalan. But then again, I will be directly using this one para makita natin gaano kaganda yun. features gano'n maganda ang laro na to. And then we have also dito sa pinakagilid sa right side, ito parang burger jacket or ito kung mapuno na to or parang nag-iilaw na ikaw, you can use this one. Okay, so mag-summon tayo ng maraming monster para makita natin kung ano yung okay, yeah. Like ganyan ito guys, ganyan yung mangyayari, parang si Thor. Si Thor na pinapalabas yung kidlat sa ibabaw. Okay? So, ayan. So, those are the example of the monster. Then you can choose what skills is. Ganda, no? So, yun yung Berserker. Ito naman, yung pangalawa. Pipili natin. Okay, ito naman. So, okay. So, babae naman to. And we are itong karakter naman ay titawag dito is Skald. Ayan. Si Skald naman to. Itong Skald character which is more on ano naman to, more on intelligence kasi mag-spell to eh. Gaya nito. Diba? Okay, parang they're using the instrumental tools to cast skills of power. Mas mabilis mamatay, laki ng damage eh. Ayan, so then you can also, at the right side, nandito naman sa pinakagilid. Okay, ba natin dito. You can also S. Okay, ang S dito guys, this is a normal attack without skills. And then, you can choose like, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, there are a lot of skills, parang F1, F2. And then, yeah. You can also use the combos. Like this one, parang zero search. That's multiple attack. Ooh, diba? Ganda. So with that one, you can actually try it. So also this one guys, auto combat. You can also use auto combat by pressing the X. So ibig sabihin, kahit hindi mo siya, pitayaan mo na lang sa character wall. So para malabanan ito. Okay, so another flash. That's the okay, ito naman ay ito naman yung kanina. So this one is I think this is Warlord, no? This one is Warlord. No, hindi pala. This one is Volva. Kanina kasi is Skald. Ito naman is Volva. Yung Volva naman guys, like again sinabi ko kanina, it uses its power to cast skills. So these are the different skills guys. Boom. Ganda. Okay. Hack. More. So boom. Another one. Okay. So ganda. So, ito naman yung mga different skill. Actually, paborito ko dito. Okay. So, actually, depende sa inyo guys kung ano yung gusto niyo ng mga character na may magandang build or magandang skill system or build system. So, or just try tayo. Bago pa lang tayo mag-school dito. Yung gusto ko naman guys ay palitan sa inyo yung iba't ibang uri klase and character. Okay, so we'll try to grab this skill. Rain of Fire. O, diba? So, next one is ito namang yung isa nito, ito naman yung isa is try natin. Ito naman is Warlord. Okay, Warlord. Mamaya ang Archer tingnan din natin, no? So, Warlord using parang na spear. Again, spear. So, try natin. Ano yung mga skills nito. Summon tayo ng monster. Okay, so yun. Ayan. Skill 1. Okay, pwede din. One attack. Okay. Oh, ganda ng skills. Ay, ganda talaga ng laro na to. So, if I were you guys, go to the website and then download and try to play. Also, know that you need to ilaro sa mobile. Hindi pa ako nakapag-choose ng server kasi puno pa eh. Right now, it's just an overview of how you can play this game. My God. Now, we will choose the archer. Ito pinaka-paborito ko kasi, no? Tingnan nyo guys, no? Ganda, no? Okay, so sa archer naman, marami naman siyang skills. But then again, yung skills hindi mo naman ito makukuha agad. Hindi depende kasi ito sa level na eh. Ganda. Good. Yung archer naman kasi is like a mix up of physical and intelligence build up. Ulit. Ayan, multiple attack. Dapat malapitan ito eh. Ayan. Ganda, galing. So, also meron naman dito yung F. Ito is normal attack na ta. Kumbaga, walang skills. So, pag parang nag-fall down pa yung skills mo, pwede mo magagamit yung normal attack. And then, we try this one. Special skill niya. Lalabas yung special skills dito. Parang meron ng mag-generate lang siya. Along the way, parang habang pinapatan mo yung mga character niya, mag-generate until mapuno. And you can choose that. Okay? So those are the different classes of Ymir or White and Iron. And by the way guys, before you can start with the creation of your path, it's better yun na i-review nyo muna yung details talaga ng laro para naman hindi kayo ma-lost. Kasi gaya ng sinasabi ng iba, dapat pag-aralan nyo muna how to build up your build up your character. Kasi pag magkamali ka ng lagay ng stats, mahirapan ka mamaya pag reset kung meron na. But then again guys, this is just an overview of Legend of Ymir. And then in the next video guys, I will show you how to actual level up this character. But this is just an overview. Tingnan natin ganda ng mga classes, ganda ng mga skills. The next video natin guys, i-review po din natin kung ano yung mga other thing we can do within the ecosystem of Ymir. Actually, tagal ko bumalik ng paglalaro nito eh. But then again guys, nagustuhan ko siya. So this is it. Since we're dealing about Web3 projects and we are also reviewing different Web3 project, and this time I think siguro I will include this one kasi parang nagiging trending na din ito. So ayan, so if you want to know more about this one, you can visit the website, which is the website is legendofymir.com. Okay, so if you have question about this, you can just comment your question, then try natin sa. Alright, thank you for watching.